Tahawwur Rana, the man who plotted 26/11 terror attacks in which hundreds of innocents were killed by Pakistan-backed terrorists, is set to face the law for his crimes. Security has been tightened outside of the NIA headquarters in Delhi, where Tahawwur Rana, accused of helping plan the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks, is now being held. Rana is being interrogated by a team of NIA officers tasked with uncovering the full extent of the conspiracy behind the 26/11 attacks that killed over 170 people and injured hundreds. On your screen is the first photo of Rana from last evening after he was brought back from the United States. India's premier anti-terror probe agency, the NIA, presented Rana in a special court which granted the agency 18-day custody after compelling evidence was presented before it. The NIA had informed the court that as part of the criminal conspiracy, accused number 1, David Coleman Headley, had discussed the entire operation with Tahawwur Rana before his visit to India. We're crossing over to my colleague Shivani, who joins us on the broadcast at this point. Shivani, tell us more about the line of questioning.
The information that is given by the NIA sources, they tell us that from around 10 o'clock in the morning, the interrogation began, but in a very lighter and a smoother way to make sure that there shouldn't be any uncomfortable question before the accused as of yet in the beginning, because the agency has 18 days in their hands and the entire custody begins from today. But interestingly, all the personal data and the details, those are there in the public domain or official domain, have been confirmed by Tahawwur Hussain Rana. Similarly, there are some proofs, some photographs, some documents. Those are being showcased to Rana to identify and confirm from his end whether those are correct or not. Because he must cooperate with the agency to investigate the case further in detail. And hereafter, the Tahawwur Rana has also been shown the statement given by the U.S. Department of Security as well regarding him. And so that there is a complete confidence between the agency and the accused. Henceforth, now there are some documents, those are shown to him, data has been shown to him, questioning has begun already. But now a cross-questioning will be taking place hereafter. As of yet, 2 SP and 1 DSP level are interrogating him. And on certain parts, he has given all the answers those were asked to him, including his name, family details, his connection with multiple international personalities. Those were allegedly part of this entire propaganda, entire attack that took place in Mumbai. And henceforth now, these key conspirators linked with the Tahawwur Hussain Rana will be identified and will be interrogated. Interestingly, there are in this fresh interrogation about this entire year-old instance, the peeling back layers of one of the most high-profile and horrific cases of the modern Indian history is being asked to him. There were multiple businessmen from India, outside India, those who supported him, those who made sure that he gets all the elements to conduct this entire blast scenario or attack scenario. Those in pro are also being questioned to him. So now it will be an interesting part to see that after getting a nab over Rana, who all will be the new faces or the new characters in the profile of interrogation by the NIA.
All right, Shivani, thank you so much for joining us and getting us all those crucial details. Now, as the interrogation is underway of Tahawwur Rana, the U.S. Department of Justice has released explosive details linking Rana to the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks. Now, according to the DOJ, Rana helped key conspirator David Headley operate under the radar, opening a fake Mumbai office for his immigration firm and appointing Headley as the manager. This allowed Headley to carry out surveillance of possible attack sites, posing as a businessman. Rana also allegedly helped file visa documents with false details to keep the cover intact. The DOJ says that Rana and Headley met multiple times in Chicago over 2 years to discuss reconnaissance for terror group Lashkar-e-Toiba. Shockingly, after the attacks, Rana allegedly praised the terrorists and said the Indians deserved it, even suggesting Pakistan's highest gallantry award for the slain attackers. Rana's extradition, coordinated by the United States and Indian agencies, is being called a vital step towards justice for the victims of 26/11. I'm crossing over to my colleague Rishabh to bring us more on this. Rishabh, bring us more details about what the U.S. has revealed.
Aisha, what we are given to understand that in the Department of Justice statement that has come to light in public sphere now, in para 4, it very categorically talks about an intercept between Tahawwur Rana and David Coleman Headley, two convicted terrorists from 26/11. After 26/11 attack, they both have been intercepted, and Tahawwur Rana was intercepted saying that Indians, quote-unquote, deserved it. And this showcases the mindset of Tahawwur Rana, the radical mindset of Tahawwur Rana that is now being put forward in public purview. Apart from that, he talks about how the 9 terrorists of Lashkar-e-Toiba, the Kasab and gang that unleashed the mayhem, the violence in Mumbai on 26/11/2008 should be accorded with Nishan-e-Haider. Nishan-e-Haider happens to be the highest gallantry award for a fallen soldier in a battle. Remember, the last Nishan-e-Haider was accorded to Lieutenant Colonel Sher Khan after the Kargil war, and since then it hasn't been accorded to anyone. So this showcases that how it wasn't just non-state actors. The army establishment, the ISI, was very well known to the attack that took place in Mumbai, and the bluff of Pakistan is being called out every day.
Absolutely. Rishabh, thank you so much for joining us and getting us more crucial details.